Hello viewers, I hope you are all well. Welcome to my channel Study for Competitive. I am Shankar. Now I am going to discuss the important current affairs on 23rd June. If you don't subscribe my channel still now, please subscribe it and then press the bell icon. So without wasting a little time, let's start. First one about important day, United Nations Public Service Day. United Nations Public Service Day is observed on 23rd June. This day is to promote and reward innovation and excellence in public service. The United Nations General Assembly designated 23rd June as Public Service Day on 22nd December 2002. Next day about International Widows Day. International Widows Day is observed on 23rd June every year. This day is to draw attention to the voices and experiences of widows and also to support them. Next one is International Olympic Day. International Olympic Day is observed on 23rd June. The International Olympic Committee was founded on 23rd June 1894. This day is observed to commemorate the foundation day of the International Olympic Committee. The day was celebrated from 1948 onwards. Next one about National Virtual Indian Pavilion. Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar inaugurated Virtual India Pavilion at Cannes Film Market 2020, commencing Indian participation at Cannes Film Festival. The Indian Pavilion at Cannes will enable the Indian filmmaker and delegates to interact with international community. This year, India has sent 2 films for screening during the festival, and the name of the film is My Chat Crime Number 200 to 103. It is a film of Marathi. And next film is Hello. It is a Gujarati film. The Minister of State for Shipping and Chemical and Fertilizer, Mansukh Mandaviya, has introduced India's largest first virtual healthcare hygiene expo 2020. It has been organized by Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Next one about appointment. Bijoy Khanduja has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to the Republic of Zimbabwe. He will replace the R. Masakui. Capital of Zimbabwe is Harare, and the currencies of Zimbabwe United States dollar, and the president of Zimbabwe is Emmerson Mnangagwa. Next one about obituary. A movie producer and a philanthropist, Steve Pink, passed away. Films such as Get Carter, Every Breath was produced by him. Moreover, he wrote the screenplay for the movie Kangaroo Jack. Next one about retirement. A most popular wrestling legend, The Undertaker, has announced his retirement from World Wrestling Entertainment. Next, coming from Northeast. The Chief Minister of Assam ordered to arrest West Bengal political commentator Garga Chatterjee for his controversial statement. Garga Chatterjee has described Chaolong Sukapa as Chinese invader. Sukapa was the leader of the Ahom dynasty. The capital of Assam is Dispur. The Chief Minister of Assam is Sarbananda Sonowal, and present Governor of Assam is Jagdish Mukhi. Next about miscellaneous. A new vaccine named Febiflu is discovered by Glenmark Pharmaceutical. It is expected to treat COVID-19 patients. It is an antiviral drug for COVID-19 patients from 80 to 75 years age, mild to moderate symptoms. It is a first search in India for COVID-19. It is estimated that the treatment will go for 14 days. Headquarters of Glenmark Pharmaceutical is in Mumbai, India. Finally, we have come to the end of the video. If you want PDF of this video, please go to my site www.studyforcompetitive.weebly.com. So please like my video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.